is Kerry Coleman. I'm the bartender here at China Grill inside Mandalay Bay on the famous Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to learn how to make a perfect margarita, least expensive. I'm going to start with the bill. We're going to make that in our rocks glass. We're going to fill that with ice. And for today's purpose, this is the perfect recipe that we're going to actually use. We're going to use a regular Cointreau and a higher end tequila, but if you'd like to make it least expensive, you can use like any basic orange flavored liqueur or least expensive tequila. So we're going to use a half-ounce portion of Cointreau, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces of Corazon tequila. Fill that with sweet and sour mix. And we're going to garnish that with a fresh squeezed lime. And there you have it, how to make a perfect margarita inexpensive.